What's the meaning of Chubb? Chubb. Chubb.
Chubb. Chubb. Chubb is a surname of English origin that may also be used as a given name. It has several possible meanings, including club, strong, sturdy, or short and thick. One famous person with this surname is Thomas Chubb, an English writer known for his religious skepticism. Additionally, Chubb is also the name of a large insurance company founded in 1882 in the United States. Today, Chubb operates in over 50 countries and is one of the world's largest publicly traded property and casualty insurance companies.